Can an LLC have employees? Yes, an LLC can hire employees just like any other business structure. Once your LLC is formed, you'll need to apply for an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. This number is required to hire workers, run payroll, and pay employment taxes. As an employer, your LLC is responsible for withholding and paying Social Security, Medicare, and income taxes on behalf of employees. You may also need to comply with state requirements like workers' compensation insurance, unemployment insurance, and labor law postings. Hiring employees can help your LLC grow, but it also adds responsibilities. Having proper payroll systems, tax filings, and compliance procedures in place is essential to avoid penalties. Zen Business can form your LLC and help you get the EIN you need to hire employees legally. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.